How to fix Facebook dating option not showing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the Facebook dating option not showing. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and then wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Facebook, click on it, click here on force stop, and then go down to the data usage, and here disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them again. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back to the home page, open the Play Store, search for Facebook and click on this green option. It says update to update your Facebook and get the dating option. That's it guys. If the problem didn't solve it even after you did all this, that means this option is not available on your country yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe.